Hey guys, it's me, Michael. Today I went to Walmart and I actually bought 3 more packs of Lego Disney minifigure series 3, and I'll be starting the build. Yeah. Now, let's see who the first character is. Oh, I got Aurora from that one Disney movie. On the front, smiley face. On the back, a sleepy face. Got her all built up. Now for the next character. For who we have is the Queen of Hearts. Oh, that's everything. And last minifigure that I picked up is Forearm Stitch. I thought this was gonna be the new Mickey Mouse, but Forearm Stitch, this is awesome. They haven't made these forearm characters since that one character from Solo, a Star Wars story, and I'm very glad I got one of those now, and I thought they'd never make these again. Anyway, those are the 3 characters I got. Hope you have a good day, and I'll see you all in my next video.